Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. First we use the color of blue. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of A. The next one is B. Now we draw C. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is numbers. Now we use the color of yellow. Now we use the color of yellow. Now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1, O-N-E 1. Kids, the next one is 2. And now we draw 3. The next one is 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Now we draw 5. F-I-V-E 5. The next one is 2D shapes. First we coloring the shape of triangle. Now we use the color of green. Now we use the color of green. The shape of circle. The next one is heart. Kids, now we coloring the shape of star. The color of red. The next one is pentagon. The last one is square. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching.